How are you? Very happy to solve your difficulty because you'll get difficulties only when you work, when you study. So it's very good that you are asking doubts, you are asking difficulties, and I'm ready here to give you the solutions. So the question is, the displacement of a particle executing SHM is given by y equal to 5 sine 4t plus pi by 3. T is the time period, capital T is the time period as usual, and mass of the particle is 2 gram. Mass of the particle is 2 gram. Okay. The kinetic energy of the particle, find क्या करना है हमको? Kinetic energy of the particle when small t is equal to t by 4, because it is a particle in SHM. So as the time changes, its speed will change, means its kinetic energy will change, and we have to find the kinetic energy when time is equal to t by 4. At this instant, at this position, we have to find its kinetic energy. So we know that kinetic energy is a half mv square. Mass is given, so you will have to find out the velocity when t is equal to t by 4. इस इंस्टेंट पर वेलोसिटी कितनी है हमको फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज गिवन टू बी 5 sin 4t plus pi by 3. This is the given displacement. Velocity is dy by dt. Rate of change of displacement is velocity. So you will take the derivative of this. So this will be 5 into sine 4t plus pi by 3. This 4 is constant. It will come out into cos 4t plus pi by 3. That is equal to 5 4s are 20 cos 4 into t is given to be t by 4 plus pi by 3. This 4 gets cancelled. So this is 20 cos t plus pi by 3. This is the velocity. Right? 20 cos t plus pi by 3 will be the velocity of the particle at the instant t by 4. Now, what's the value of this capital T? If you look at this equation, a sine omega t plus alpha, so this 4 is what? Omega. So capital T is 2 pi by omega, that is 2 pi by omega is 4, that is pi by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So this velocity will be 20 cos pi by 2 plus pi by 3. So this is 20 cos pi by 2 plus pi by 3. Pi by 2 means 90 degree. Cos of 90 plus theta is minus sine theta. So you have to find the sine of pi by 3, means sine of 60 degree. Sine of 60 degree is how much? Root 3 by 2. So 20 into root 3 by 2, you got the value of velocity. Velocity मिल गई. अब क्या करेंगे? Kinetic energy is half mv square. Mass is given. Velocity you found out. You will get the answer. Your question says a simple pendulum of length L has maximum angular displacement alpha. Okay. This is your simple pendulum and its maximum angular displacement is alpha. The maximum kinetic energy of the bob of mass m बॉब का मास कितना है m, what will be its maximum kinetic energy? Very simple. Here maximum displacement, यहां पर उसकी वेलोसिटी होगी 0. जैसे पेंडुलम नीचे आएगा, its velocity will go on increasing and the velocity will be maximum at the mean position. तो यहां पर उसकी काइनेटिक एनर्जी मैक्सिमम होगी. यू हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मच इट इज. द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एट दिस पॉइंट will get converted into kinetic energy at this point. So mgh will get converted into half mv square. You have to find this kinetic energy, means you have to find mgh. The potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy. Here the kinetic energy or half mv square will be equal to mgh. तो आपको मैक्सिमम काइनेटिक एनर्जी फाइंड करना है, मतलब mgh फाइंड करना है. और लेट अस सी हाउ मच इज h. ये है l, ये यहां से यहां तक भी है l. ड्रॉप अ परपेंडिकुलर हियर, राइट. तो ये है h, दिस इज h, and obviously this is l minus h. This is h and this is l minus h. Now what will be cos alpha equal to? Cos alpha is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, means L minus H upon L. Cos alpha is L minus H upon L, adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Or you can say it is 1 minus H by L, or H by L, इसको इधर ले लो, is equal to 1 minus cos theta, or H is equal to L into 1 minus cos theta. So this is general. ये कई बार हमको यूज करना पड़ता है, तो हर बार हमको ऐसे नहीं करना है. Right, in this diagram this H is how much? L into 1 minus cos theta. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. H is equal to L into 1 minus cos theta. So maximum kinetic energy will be equal to mgh, that is equal to mg. h है L into 1 minus cos theta. So check your options. It is option C, mgl into 1 minus cos theta. I hope your doubt is clear. I'll be answering now hence onwards through videos. यहाँ से आगे मैं पूरे आंसर्स आपको वीडियो पर दूंगा. तो जब आप डिफिकल्टी या क्वेश्चन भेजेंगे व्हाट्सएप पर, तो अगर आप अपना नाम और फोटोग्राफ अगर भेजो, तो आई विल डिस्प्ले दैट इन द वीडियो. आपका नाम और आपका फोटो, इफ यू वांट, अगर आपको चाहिए तो आपका नाम और आपका फोटोग्राफ आई विल डिस्प्ले ऑन द वीडियो. तो मुझे भी लगेगा ऐसे कि मैं डायरेक्टली आपसे पर्सनली बात कर रहा हूँ, पर्सनली एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. फाइन.